What's up, fast lane gangs? Welcome back to my channel and back to another video. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and also don't forget to share this video and turn on your post notifications for future videos to come. Now today I will be installing a MMI interface to my iDrive system. So what this multimedia interface does to the iDrive system, it allows your system to display Android Auto and also Apple CarPlay. So if your system does not comes with your iDrive system does not comes with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, this MMI system will do that job for you. So I'm gonna head up to my friend's local shop. He's upstate New York, and he will be doing the installation for me. Now I bought this MMI display on eBay for like around $200 and something. And also BMTech has it, but BMTech MMI display, MMI interface is a little bit expensive. All right, so whatever floats your boat. But that's where I got my MMI display. I'll probably leave a link in the description below if you need this display, so you can go ahead and copy one. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to head downstairs to my vehicle. I'm going to show you this MMI display, so stay tuned. Now I'm heading to the vehicle to show you this MMI display. Also, I'm gonna let you guys hear a cold start. There's my baby right there. Hey baby, how are you? Not bad. So I'm gonna let you guys hear a cold start. This is the front bumper that I installed. Alright, let me move this out the way. This is a whole different install. Stay tuned for this install. I'm not going to tell you guys what's in this box. So this is the MMI display. Let me go ahead and take it out. This is it, right? This is the harnesses. This is the antenna and stuff like that. And display. This is a display right here. So this is a display. So this is all you need to do the install. So I will be leaving a description. I will be leaving a link in the description so you guys can go ahead and purchase it if you need it. Okay, so I'm at the gas station. I'm about to purchase some gas. Hello, how you doing? Let me get 15 on the blue card. $93. It says New York gas price. New York gas price is pretty cheap. I think I'm already full, so I'm gonna just probably top it off to $10. Okay, $10. Okay, no drip gang. I have finally arrived. So this is where the installation is going to get done inside that building. So I'm waiting for the building to get cleared and I'm pulling my car. So let the installations begin. Hi, Kevin. Say hi for the camera. That's the guy that's going to install it. That's him right there. He's going to install it. Okay, so now we're going to start installation. As you can see, he is removing the trim piece from around the gauge cluster. That's the first you have to remove. He places it in the back. Now he's about to remove this trim piece.
You're not in the way.
Okay. He's going to remove the stop-start button. Also the hazard light. Now it's gonna push the hazard button inside to get it off. So you gotta push the hazard button inside out, and that's how you remove it. So this trim piece is done. So you're gonna place it in the back.
In the back. You got my Torx, I think.
Yeah. It's now what type of torque? A T what?
These are T20.
You need a T20 torque, and then gonna untorque these bolts. These bolts hold on the radiator, or screws, whatever you want to call it. You can probably put them inside there. Okay, you gotta take out this piece on here. Let's say you gotta remove this piece, because this piece kind of hold it down. This trim piece on here. And part of that piece. That piece kind of hard. There you go. Nice.
I hope everything goes on well.
Yeah, we've been through quite a trip. What's in the one station? Turn that off. You want to turn that off?
Yeah, you don't want to turn it on. You press the button to turn it on.
Get right to the clip.
Exactly. So guys, so this piece is going to be a little bit
It's
tight. So, you know, you got to take your time and work it. And try not to break nothing.
Try to go straight to the clip.
There you go. So that's what he's trying to do.
Yeah, still. All the time. Yes, man. really tight.
Yeah. Try to get from the side. Let's see if we'll pull from the side.
Is in there to stay.
Oh Lord. There you go. Finally. So guys, you gotta take your time and play with it. And watch your strength. Do not use too much strength. Because you start breaking clips and then you're gonna have to be going back to the BMW dealership to buy that panel back.
Just flip this over.
Yep.
Squeeze down on that. Fire back.
Fry it back and remove those clips.
Over here. Fire back. See?
Okay. Now you gotta remove these.
Nah.
No?
These right
And take out the radio.
4 of these.
So these are 4
T20.
T20 torque screws.
Yeah.
You haven't started the BMW yet, alright?
Hmm?
When you gonna start the BMW?
Wanted to start it today.
Oh, okay.
They block it in.
Oh, okay.
That old Ford. You want to protect everything.
Yeah. I always remember to put a cushion down here to protect your dashboard, the trims and stuff like that. So now you pull the radio out, flip it over,
We're just trying to get to this.
try to get to the harness,
Yeah.
the main harness, because that's the harness you need. Okay, there you go. So you gotta look for the
We're gonna look for the optical cable.
the optical cable and remove the optical
I have
cable.
a screwdriver.
Screwdriver? No.
Nah, that's too big. Oh, here it is. So you just gotta pry this back, but not too much. And try to remember it's on the end, not the middle. It's on the end.
Okay.
Yeah. Just pull back. So, it's kind of tight there. We don't have to loosen some of this. So let me get some Tessa tape and a razor blade.
Okay. So he's gonna get some Tessa tape and a razor blade to unloose this, so we have more space to work with and more wires to work with.
Cut this lightly, no pressure at all.
You gotta be careful when you're cutting this, so
No
you don't cut no
pressure.
wire.
Right, just let it glide on it. Should be good.
So now you separate the optical cable from the actual harness. So this is all you need really to work with. Now he's covering back up the wires.
Okay.
Okay, so now he's gonna use the harness that comes in the box. So he's gonna line up the optical wire and place it inside the harness. And also remember, it goes to the end. So wherever you take it from, you gotta also make sure you put it back at the end, right? You gotta put it right here, right?
Yeah, right at the end.
There you go.
There. And, let's do this one first. Make sure this is back. Line everything up. Patch in.
It's one way in, one way out.
Yeah.
You cannot unline it.
Yeah, just make sure that you have everything lined up so you don't bend any pins.
Bend any
or
pins
anything
or
like
nothing.
that.
Exactly. There you go.
It's still kind of tight. Like it's not.
And squeeze it in, right?
Yeah. I think it's not going all the way. There you go. All right.
That's it? Okay. Now that's secure.
And this back.
Now you gotta put the
This one in here.
harness that comes with the MMI system and place it in the back. Just check to make sure it's secured all the way. Good? You hear the click? That's it.
All right, now, so
So a few wires here.
okay. All right, now we have to run. Give me. All right, so this one goes up to the screen.
So you gotta take off the screen, right?
Yeah.
And go in the back and plug in.
So it's gonna work our way up to the screen with this.
You work it through here, right?
You can take the screen out.
Now it's gonna take the screen out.
Same.
So you need
T20.
this same T20,
Oh,
so you
it
don't
is a
have to
T20.
change. All the nuts are T20, or the screws are T20. So basically, you only need one tool: a T20 torque and a prior. Okay, those are for the screen. But those are longer, right?
Go straight up.
Okay.
Right there to remove that. Squeeze this down. Just hold that right there. For me.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Squeeze this down and slowly work it out.
There you go. BMW makes everything tight. Jesus.
Alright, let me get something to remove that.
Okay, there you go. So it's basically a clip.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
This one has to go down.
Okay.
Goes down. Oh, this one goes up.
Okay. So you interchange the wires. So the one that comes in the box comes up to plug into the iDrive box, and the other one you put it down.
Good.
So where this gonna go?
This one goes into the
Into the other
MMI.
part?
The
Okay.
MMI.
MMI, okay.
Alright, so that and that. We get an MMI box.
Okay, so now we need the MMI box. Slowly making progress. There you go.
In front of somebody else's gate, right?
Right, in front of someone. Yeah, and guys, I'm sorry about that. We were supposed to go inside, but
So, it's like that.
there you go. Perfect fit.
Okay.
And that goes up
Now
top.
we just go up top of this one.
Thank God would think some more, right? Before we made we made that
Start
modification,
bending
start
stuff,
bending
right?
stuff, right? And then mess everything up. So we're trying to run that wire back up. Okay, there it is. And run it up top.
Right, so let's go ahead and put this back.
What about the I think
No, those come down.
come down. Okay, so you guys put back the
I
screen.
think that goes up. Yeah.
So now we're gonna put the screen back.
Nice.
And we need the other piece to put over that side. There's another piece plugging over there.
No, it's one.
Yeah, I see that.
No, it's one.
No, there's another wire that was there.
No,
Kevin.
no one. One plug.
Oh, it's for the other. It's for the other part, right?
Yeah.
No, you took out another one that.
No, it's Kim. One plug. One wire. That's it, I'm telling you. It's only one wire.
You remember that thing that you plugged up? Hold on, let's see.
It's one wire, look.
Now there was something
you
that
mean,
goes.
nah, yeah, but it's down here now.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
that's what I was talking about.
Yeah.
Okay. You gotta make sure it goes all the way.
Yeah.
I think it goes into the groove.
It was good before.
This groove right
Yeah,
here.
it's the back.
Yeah, you put it back in.
It has a groove in the back.
Make sure it fits, drops in. Make sure the wire is not. There it is. So now we're gonna put back the torque screws.
Hopefully when you're doing it, you don't have Kim next to you. When you take stuff back out.
Sometimes 2 eyes is better than one. Or 4 eyes is better than 2.
True. True. Hello?
Okay, there we go. So the monitor is back.
The focals. Yes.
We'll clean that later on, Kevin. Don't worry about it.
That's about it. I'll clean that when we're all done.
Yeah, I'll clean it later.
Bye. Bye.
So now we're gonna install these bad boys. I think one is for the antenna. Is this for the antenna, right?
So it should be a Wi-Fi antenna.
So this thing uses Wi-Fi too?
Yeah.
Okay. Where you gonna put that? You gotta run that somewhere up here?
It's Wi-Fi. It could go behind.
It could go behind? Okay.
I'm gonna put it right here.
Okay. to connect the Wi-Fi antenna wire to the back of the radio.
No, it goes to
The back of the MMI, I'm sorry. There you go.
Nice and tight.
Tape up the loose wires.
We got a white tie for that.
You have alcohol? You can wipe out this. It's stick.
It's stick.
It's stick?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I wonder if impaired dread good.
Dread don't work here.
Oh.
I just bring them in.
I just bring them in
Yeah.
to the tent. Okay.
Yeah.
I saw him the other day.
Who, that stuff?
Yeah. Or I saw him. I think I was actually buying juice and I saw him. It's a smoothie and I saw him.
Oh yeah, you know you want to eat that type of stuff.
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay, so he placed the antenna for the Wi-Fi up on this thing right here.
Yeah. Okay, and then I need a USB.
So you need a USB and the power cable, right? USB? Oh, the power cable's over here. So plug the USB. Everything is like color coded, so you can.
Yeah. We're not gonna use.
You're not gonna use none of those. So that's a backup camera and stuff. So we're not gonna use the rest of those input output because we're not installing a backup camera. So we just cover it up.
Okay. This we're gonna leave hanging out.
Okay. For the USB. I wonder if we could.
Yes.
That's the power source, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now it's the light inside.
All right. And that's about it.
That's it. So you want to turn it on too? What's this?
It says mic, and this is probably like an auxiliary.
Auxiliary? Okay. So we don't need that, right?
No.
So we can turn it on and test it before we... Oh, the power switch, right?
Yeah, let me see you turn it on. Let me test it.
Oh, we don't have to turn on the car. We can turn it on the power from here.
Yeah, you need that part anyway.
What?
The piece to turn it on.
Oh, yeah. So we have to put everything back, basically.
Yeah, pretty much.
That sucks. So he's just taping up these loose wires and that we don't need, and just push them in the back somewhere.
Okay. And basically we just need this out. So we're just gonna.
So where we're gonna put that? I think you said that it was supposed to go up here, right?
No. That goes all the way back there.
Okay.
Let's just rest it there. Test everything. And we have to pull it back out if anything.
So hopefully everything, works out the box. So what happens to those plugs in the back? Nothing goes into those, right? In the front of the box. There's some.
Oh, did I plug the power back?
I don't think so. You took it out.
Oh, nothing goes there.
Oh, nothing in. Okay.
Gonna tuck this
all the way in the back.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a lot of room in the back.
Oh yeah.
You might have to like tilt it up.
Just stand up.
Yeah.
Wherever you can. A lot of space.
There you go.
I could probably hold on. To this.
So guys, there's a lot of space in the back. You can actually
Not a lot.
push it all the way in the back.
Right now I have it standing up in there for now. I'll fix it, but we just want to try.
Okay.
Make sure
Everything
is-
works.
Yeah.
So you gotta plug back these wires, right?
No, those go somewhere else.
Okay.
Let's turn this back around. Should be two of these. One, two. Tight.
Tight?
A lot of stuff. Big harness in the way.
Okay guys, I'm gonna skip this section and come right back, okay?
That big old bar.
Okay guys, so moment of truth.
Alright, let's go.
Ready? Let's go.
Mm,
There you go.
There you go. Alright.
Nice. So now we're connected. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay is now installed on the 2015 BMW X5 using this multimedia interface. So that's it, Kev?
Yeah, that's it.
That's it, guys. So now everything, we're just going to put everything back. So it's going to be in the reverse. How you take it off is how you put it back. And that's about it.
Alright.
Okay, guys. So I want to thank you guys for watching my video. This is a little tutorial on how to install this MMI Prime system. I'm going to leave a link in the description where I bought this this interface. So you can go ahead and make that purchase. All right. So again, thank you again for my viewers, and have a nice day. See you guys soon in the next one.
Alright.
Okay guys, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay fully function on my BMW X5. I couldn't wait to have this feature. Yep. Fully functional.